You do chug.
Alright.
Chug.
This is Dale with the Scorched steak sauce. Non-Chilihead. Go for it, Dale.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, he got it alright.
Hot?
Oh.
Maybe don't.
Oh, wow.
Maybe not.
How's it taste, Dale?
I can't taste nothing. It's on fire.
I taste nothing but flame.
You want a water? You don't want water. I'm pretty sure water intensifies it.
Yeah, you need milk. I watched Man vs. Food once.
This keeps getting worse.
It's the gift that
Take a
keeps
bite of
on
jerky.
giving.
That's not a good idea.
Jerky
You
bite.
need milk.
Jerky bite. Chug. 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 Chug.
You're making me tear up.
The beef stick has cheese in it, might suit something.
Yeah, your eyes are getting a little.
I really hope flames come out of the air.
Is it hard to talk?
What'd you do? Fill the spoon on him?
Yeah, I filled that spoon right up, dude. That's how I try all the hot sauces. Full spoon. Tablespoon.
No.
That was just a teaspoon.
Not everybody has a calloused asshole like you.
Right? Your eyes are bloodshot and watering.
Another one?
I want popcorn. You're so nasty. Will you make popcorn?
Dude,
Can't say you never lived.
you're chewing that beef stick awfully fast, Dale.
YOLO!
I can't. My lips hurt. My tongue can't feel it.
How's your throat feeling?
My throat's okay. It's just my mouth.
Throat's disintegrating. Don't let him breathe. Here, let me take a spoon for you.
Who's
wanna
gonna
lick
lick
that?
that? No, I had some. Not nearly that much.
You girls want to try a stick with cheese in it?
I can get some hot sauce. I was like, are you kidding me? I can't even handle like the mildest hot thing.
Not getting better.
Man, you're chewing that stick awfully fast, Dale.
What were you gonna say?
Say a few words in the camera, Dale.
It helps for like 2 seconds. I swallow and then it comes back.
Wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, because this stuff, it burns the candle
So
twice.
it's definitely coming back.
I bet.
Yo, I don't want to talk about it. Hershey squirty, and hot, chunk, chunk, chunk.
Then it doesn't burn again.
Why are you worried about your leg right now?
Yep.
Need another spoonful might help.
No.
I think one will.
Try the other one.
This shit is hot.
Want another one?
So I think I'll be good.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is it cooling off yet, Dale?
Not quite.
Nobody would ever do that.
Oh, hey.
Would you ever use it again?
No.
Not even on a steak? Like just for
Probably not.
not tasty at all? Like how was the taste of it?
It
Outside of being
tasted
so
pretty
hot.
sweet. Like, it was really good, but holy shit, it's got a kick.
John's interviewing him.
You don't taste much.
What would you do in the future?